Montgomery County's population is 20 times what it was in 1930, and we're still growing. Much of what used to be woodlands and fields is now covered with roads, parking lots, and buildings. As a result, much of the rain that falls on Montgomery County now lands on hard or impervious surfaces instead of soaking into fields and woodlands. As rain runs off our roads, parking lots, and roofs, it rushes down storm drains to nearby creeks and streams, causing erosion. This runoff is known as stormwater. Stormwater picks up pollution and trash as it flows. That's why Montgomery County created the Water Quality Protection Fund, because there are things we can all do to stop this pattern of pollution. Through the Water Quality Protection Fund, the Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection partners with the Chesapeake Bay Trust to provide grants for nonprofit groups that want to be part of the stormwater solution. Congregations, homeowners associations, swim clubs, and neighborhood organizations are just a few of the nonprofits that can receive grants for stormwater projects.
Just imagine the pollinators and songbirds who can have breakfast by the mosque, lunch at the synagogue, 4 p.m. tea at the Gurdwara, and dinner at the church. Because we connect the sacred grounds, we create islands of sustainability because we are people of faith.
We had several contractors come in, and Darlene was one of those contractors. She brought in a lot of really great ideas. She substantiated her ideas with as much data as she could get to help us succeed in this project.
We've already had a couple of student groups from the school come over to have a conversation about what this is and why it's important and things like that. So it's really accomplishing what it was designed to do. I don't know if you're able to pick up the raindrops falling behind me, but it's working. It works, and that's really remarkable. That we're not generating any water on site with all of these roofs that we've built in the last couple of years to feed into the Anacostia. We're at the headwaters. This is where it all begins. So it's pretty cool.